Hi YouTube, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do a video on some of my favorite cleaning products. I'm trying to do this video quick because my battery is low and my son is taking a nap and I really want to do this before he wakes up. Anyway, let's get into it. So I love cleaning. I love to watch a lot of the cleaning videos here on YouTube. Since I became a mom, I'm really kind of OCD about cleaning now because kids touch things, they play all over the place, and you want to have clean surfaces. The other thing is I want to have a clean space because when things are clean, my mind is not cluttered and I get a lot more done that way. So it's really important for me to have things clean. Anyway, let's get into it. So the first product that I love to use is Autobahn. I heard another YouTuber talk about this. I ordered this off of Amazon, 3-pack of them for under $20, I believe. This has really been something I use. It's basically running out. I've used almost 3 packs of them. This is a sanitizing multi-purpose cleaner. It kills 99.9% of germs. That's my Kenyan. Anyway, so 99% of germs and eliminates odors. So it's supposed to be a fabric and air freshener. And this has been something that I use in so many different things. One of the things that I love to use it for is wiping counters, wiping faucets in the sink, wiping toilet seats, wiping doorknobs and things like that. And I love that it leaves that scent behind. The other thing that I like to use it for is to spray it whenever my son has accidents at night and he leaks on the bed. I like leaks. What? Yeah, he leaks like through his diaper. We're gonna potty train and stuff like that, but right now sometimes he has accident where, you know, I didn't change him in time and he leaks on the sheets and stuff like that. So I spray this right away. It kind of takes away any odors and stuff, and it dries really nice. You're not gonna always have time to do laundry every time, to wash sheets and comforters and all that, but this is really great for that. The other thing I like to do is spray it after I'm done cooking. Like if I'm frying like fish or something and the odor in the air is just really bad, I spray it everywhere and kind of let it just kind of, you know, spread, and it smells amazing and things like that. So this has been something I really love to use a lot. I also spray the garbage with it. I pretty much use it for everything, and I just love that it leaves a nice smell behind. So that's that guy right here. All right, the next thing that I had that I did buy that I liked using was 409 multi-surface. I still have a lot of it. It smells really nice. It's great for the kitchen, the bathroom, and things like that. But it also kills 99.9% of bacteria and viruses and things like that. But I don't use this often because the smell kind of bothers me a little bit, and it has way more chemicals than the Autobahn. So I tend to just use it every, like, if my son like maybe is sick or some people are sick in the house, I'll wipe things with it. But other than that, I really try not to use it too often because the smell is a bit strong, and I don't like how my throat feels and things like that. The next thing that I have here is a multi-purpose foam cleaner. It's tough stuff for cleaning jobs, and it's supposed to be used on, like, it says your boats, vinyl, fabric, floor mats, carpets, and chrome. So that's really what I've been using it for, and it works amazing. I tried it on a couch that got stained, and it came out really nice. I sprayed it, let it sit, and then I took a cold cloth. A cold cloth, is that right? I'm trying to talk so fast that I don't even know what I'm saying. Yeah, I took a cloth that had been like put water on, and then wiped it down and really used a brush and scrubbed it, and after it dried, all the stains were gone. I also use it on stains on the carpet. Like if my son spills something, I make sure to spray it right away and let it sit, and then wipe it down so that you don't have stain constantly on the carpet. So this has really been really nice for that. All right, the next product that I have is something my mom-in-law uses. This is Pinalin Max Aromas. It's a multi-purpose cleaner, but what I really like to use it for is like whenever like I'm washing something that's kind of smells, I'll use it in the sink and make sure to rinse it out. You can also use it in the bathroom bowl and things like that because the smell lasts like all day. So if you are wiping things down, you could even use it to clean the towel, and then it leaves that nice scent. So if you're wiping things down, you have a clean area that just smells really good. So this is something that I recommend. I also like Fabuloso. I don't have it with me, but Fabuloso is one of my other favorites. I love to use that for mopping, wiping, you know, cleaning the sinks, and you know, using it on a wet cloth to wipe things down as well, and it just leaves a nice scent behind. All right, the next one is really, I love this. I'm not a fan of Windex because Windex you spray and you have to use so much force and so much power to to wipe down, to get, you know, fingerprints and stain marks off of your windows and things like that, your TV sets and all that stuff. I like to use this a lot because it's so much easier. You spray like once or twice. You take a dry cloth of some sort, a microfiber, and just wipe it and it comes off right away and you don't have streaks. I hate streaks because Windex is, it takes a lot of time, like pretty much a lot of time to get things, to get stains off and marks off of it, and I really hate that. So this has been a lifesaver. This is foaming action, ammonia free, it's streakless. I really recommend the foaming glass cleaner if you hate using Windex. This is really a nice product. Okay, the last product that I want to talk about is VI Poo. You can make your own. Just Google DIY. I think like VI Poo or something, VI something, or Poo-Pourri, and it's gonna come up showing you pretty much how to make your own so that you can keep it in the house to use instead of buying this little guy. So I think it's water, purified water. You put alcohol and essential oil, and you shake it up and pretty much keep it in a bottle so you can always spray before you go. So this is really nice to keep in the bathroom if you have a lot of traffic in the bathroom, people going in and out constantly, because they can spray this like 3 times before they go and it takes away any smells. Nothing worse than, for example, having guests come in, somebody uses the bathroom and bombs it and it's like, ooh, who went, you know? I hate that, and I'm very self-conscious of that when I visit other people's bathrooms, even in public bathrooms, like a courtesy thing, you know, like just leaving things that it's just terrible for somebody to walk into. So this is really nice to keep in your house, and you could make your own and pretty much yeah, have your bathroom smelling really nice. The last product that I'm going to talk about is a vacuum cleaner and a Swiffer that I'm going to insert a video for you. Okay guys, so the next thing I have here is this vacuum. This is the Power Lifter Iron Pet by Bizzle. I got this from Walmart a while back for like 100 plus something, and it's really awesome. It pretty much picks up dirt and pet hair, but I don't have a pet, so I use it mainly when I'm doing my hair and like there's hair all over the floor. I usually use that to vacuum this, but this has been a lifesaver for picking up after my son, you know, whether he drops crumbs or he threw like Play-Doh on the floor and things like that. I use it for that. So it's pretty cool, and it's cordless. I know the Dyson one is pretty cool. I've seen a lot of YouTubers talk about it, but the price is just too high for me. So that's not something I want to get right now. But for the moment, it's pretty cool. The only thing that I don't like about it is sometimes the hair gets stuck right here, and it's really hard to take it out. You have to kind of pull and stuff like that. So that's the one thing that I don't like about it. And the charge doesn't last very long. I would say like a good 30 minutes maybe. But overall, it's really perfect for, you know, our bedroom. So whenever I'm doing my hair and I leave hair everywhere, I can just easily pick it up. And when my son has like crumbs and things that are on the floor, I can use it on the carpet. I can use it on wood. So I really love this. The other item is this guy. This is the Swiffer. And you can buy different bottles, whether you want for wood or you want for multi-purpose, and then just insert it in here. So this is really nice for mopping marble and wood and things like that. So right now we have it for the wood one because we have the wooden floor right here. But I really love this product because it's allowed me to just pick up, mop after my son, you know, whether it's vomit or he knocked over juice or you know, all the little accidents that can happen. It's really been very nice. Now that we're going to start potty training, this is going to really come in handy because you just, you know how it goes. Anyway, yeah, so just those guys right there. There's some of my cleaning products. That's not all of them, but these are some of the ones that I use often. And I just want to share with you guys. Leave your comments below telling me some of your favorite cleaning products. And I'll see you guys in the next video.